In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your design in Canva. To get started, open Canva and head to the home screen. If you're already signed in, you'll be able to access your recent projects right away. From here, you can either create a brand new design or open one that you've already been working on. If you're making something from scratch, choose the format that fits your project best, whether that's a presentation, social media post, video canvas, or another layout. If you already have a design ready, simply open it so you can begin adding your video. Once your design is open, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Canva keeps the tools and content you can insert into your project. Click on Elements to open that section. The Elements library includes a wide range of items like shapes, graphics, photos and videos, so this is where you'll go when you want to bring extra visual content into your design. After opening Elements, use the search bar to look for the video you want to add. Type in a keyword or short phrase that matches the kind of footage you need. For example, you might search for something related to nature, business, travel, technology, or any other theme that fits your project. Try to use clear, specific terms so you can narrow down the results more quickly. If you don't see the perfect option right away, scroll through the available results and explore a few variations of your search term until you find something that works well. When you find the video you want, click on it to add it to your design. Canva will automatically place the video onto your canvas. From there, you can reposition it and make sure it fits naturally within your layout. If needed, take a moment to check how it looks with the rest of your design elements, so everything feels balanced and visually consistent. That's all it takes to add a video in Canva. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in making your design more dynamic and engaging. If you're following along, go ahead and try adding a few different video options so you can compare what looks best in your project. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, adding motion to your Canva designs becomes quick and easy.